As India battles this second wave of COVID, there's also been a bigger wave, a wave of global compassion, and Go Dharmic is proud to be a part of that. We've been helping deliver oxygen cylinders, oxygen concentrators, medical supplies, and food supplies to people who really need our help. In May, we teamed up with Uber. They've been giving us free rides to help battle the pandemic. So far, there's been over 1,000 life-saving trips to help people. 83-year-old Kulbir Kaur needed help. We used an Uber to bring her medication. Sarita Ben, whose children are here in the UK, was struggling to find a way to help and got in touch with Go Dharmic, and we immediately rushed her oxygen cylinder in an Uber. As a tribute to India's frontline workers who have been working 24/7 to help during this pandemic, we've been providing them with PPE kits to help keep them safe. Our partnership with Uber has really helped make a difference. We've been helping to rebuild India and its medical infrastructure in our own small way. If you need help, Go Dharmic volunteers will do everything they can to help, so please do get in touch, and together with Uber we can make a difference and move what matters.